Hi everyone, I am Maria and welcome back to my channel. And today you will see how to crochet the pattern. In the previous part we crocheted first pattern and now I show you how to crochet the second stitch pattern and how you can combine them. Let's crochet my new stitch pattern. For the next row, make a chain to bring up the yarn, then yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into the small cable, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. So I did a slip stitch with yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. So you should crochet a little bit loosely. As you remember, you crocheted elastic rib. So continue working, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. How you can add a stitch? You need just insert the hook between cables, not in only into the cable. For me it's enough, so I will not add some stitches in this case. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Pattern consists of 6 rows and has 1 stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row and how need to continue. Let's complete row 1. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. Make a chain, turn the work. This is the chain stitch for transition. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop and grab the yarn, pull it through. And work with back loops only. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop. Oops, I lost my loops. Let's repeat one more time and pull it through. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, pull it through. This is the second row of my main pattern or current pattern. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. In total it should be 4 of them. I started the second one. You need to crochet 2 more. Then I will show you how to finish this row and start the next one. In total it should be 4 such rows with slip stitches. I continue working on my pattern. Pattern consists of 6 rows. I finished row 2. Let's crochet row 3. Make a chain, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop, grab the yarn, pull it through. It is going to be row 3, like this. So you should continue working with your own. I've done row 3. I didn't use the chain stitch. Make a chain for the next row, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop, grab the yarn, pull it through. I'm working on row 4, so make slip stitch with yarn over. So this is the 4th row of the main pattern. In total it should be 6 of them, like this. Here what I have at this point, and this is the another side. Then you should continue working with your own. I have done 4 rows. In total it should be 6 of them, and right now I show you how to crochet the 5th and the 6th row. Then I'm going to work with double crochet stitches. Let's crochet the 5th one. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. And make double crochet stitches into the back loops only. I turn the work, yarn over the hook, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, make double crochet like this. Work into the back loops only. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row of double crochet stitches. As you remember, I left all chains that I did on the beginning of the previous row and work with back loops only. Let's stop and look what I have done. Let's crochet row 6, 1, 2, 3 to bring up the yarn. It is going to be row 6. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, make double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to work with 3 chains that I did on the beginning of this round or row. Let's complete round row 6. In this case, I insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look. My pattern consists of 6 rows. This is one side and this is another one. So I combined 2 patterns. First pattern could be found in the description of this video tutorial. I will give you the link. For this pattern you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description as well. You can use such kind of pattern to create scarf, snood, or ear warmer, headband, or hat, or another accessories for home or your kitchen. And now I show you how to crochet the next row. Make a chain, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next back loop, grab the yarn, pull it through. Work with back loops only. Make with slip stitches with yarn over. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. So here how my 2 patterns look like in one swatch. I remind you the first pattern could be found in another video tutorial. The link could be found in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!